Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in this video we're going to be learning the song I'll Fly Away by Josiah Queen. There it is. I just want to say thank you guys for helping us reach 500 subscribers. That's a huge milestone. I never thought we'll be able to get this far, but here we are. So thank you guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and let's get into this video, right? So this song is going to be played in the key of G. We're going to be using G shapes. Of course, make sure your guitar is tuned. It's a pretty easy song. Intro, just gonna be with your G chord. We're gonna go over the notes first, and then we're gonna go over the strumming pattern, okay? So, intro, we start with the G, right? And then you're gonna stay on that G, right, until you're ready to start with the verse. So then you start with the verse, you're gonna go in with the E minor, which you could do your E minor regular like this, or your E minor 7, just adding your pinky on that second string, 3rd fret. So you can do that one, sounds better. So you start with the E minor 7, and then you're gonna go into your C chord, right? That's your C chord. Then you're gonna go into your G chord again, and then you're gonna go to your D over F sharp, which is played like this. Okay, and then it's just going to repeat those chords, right? E minor, C, G, and then D over F sharp. Once you got those chords down, then we're going to go ahead and go over the strumming pattern, which is going to be played like this. So it's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Josiah Queen loves that strumming pattern, so most of his songs will have that strumming pattern. It's the down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Slowing it down, it's going to be like this. Up, down, up, down, down. Up, down, up, down, down. So once you got that strumming pattern, once you put it all together, it's gonna be, you're gonna start with your G, right? You'll start on that G until you're ready to go into the verse. There is a place I long ago where the pain gets returned away right at the door. No one gets sick, no one gets old. No more fighting, no more striving anymore. Cause on a train path bound for glory, got friends and family waiting for me. They are ready, singing holy, holy, holy is the Lord. After that, we're going to the chorus, right? So for the most part, it's easy. Just keeping tempo is probably going to be your hardest thing. Maybe even the switches, if you're still learning guitar, you got to make sure you're switching on time. So you're going to start with your G, right? Down, down, up, down, up. This is going to be without singing. Switch C to the G to your D. E minor to your C to your G to your D. So that's pretty much the chorus right there. Go ahead and practice that if you need to. We're moving on to the chorus. Same chord progression, everything is the same thing, just different words. So this is the chorus. And one day I will fly away and trade these bones for rolls of grace. And I just can't shake this feeling in my soul. Heaven is my home, this world is a temporary place. I'll leave it one day out of the grave. I fly away. chorus. It's a little bit different, but pretty much the same strumming pattern, same idea, right? So we start off with a slight breakdown from the verse, right? So you're breaking down from that fast strumming into single strumming. Before you go into the chorus, you're gonna go ahead and do this little walk down. It's optional. If you don't feel like doing it, you don't have to, but you can if you want a more smoother transition into your chorus. You're gonna go ahead and do your bass note of your G. You're gonna drop it half a tone, right? And then you start with your E minor, right? Single strumming, like I said. So after you do that, one day I will, to your C chord, fly away, C to your G. Trade these, you're gonna go to your D over F sharp. Trade these bones to your E minor. On bones, you're gonna do E minor. For ropes, on robes, you're gonna do C to your G for grace. Of grace. And I just can't shake, and it repeats. Feel it in my soul to your C. Heaven is my home to your G. This world is a temporary. So on temporary, you're gonna do a quick walk down. Temporary place. So that walk down is to represent the D over F sharp, right? This world is a temporary. So on half of so the way you do that is you're gonna do temporary place. Okay, so you split that part in kind of like in 3 parts. Temporary place. I'll leave it one to your C. Out of the grave to the D. And then of course I fly away. E minor, C, G, and it repeats. I fly away, E minor, A, C, and G. And after you do that, of course, you're gonna go into your verse. So for verse 2, we're not gonna go over it. It's pretty much the same thing as verse 1. So we're gonna go ahead and skip it. You're gonna do your verse 2. So start the whole structure, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus again. Then you're gonna go into the bridge. So for the bridge, it's gonna go like this. I'm on a train that's bound for glory. Got friends and family waiting for me, and they already singing holy, holy, holy is the Lord. One day I will fly away, trade these bones for robes of grace. I just can't shake this feeling in my soul. Heaven is my home. This world is a temporary place. I'll leave it one day out of the grave. So for that ending right there of that chorus after the bridge, you're gonna hold that note. Out of the grave. You're gonna hold it, and then you're gonna go into chorus. You're gonna go into the last chorus, full strumming. I fly away. And then you're gonna finish the whole song on that G chord. And that's pretty much the whole song. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel out. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.